भाई तुम हैरान हो जाओगे। व्हाट आई व्हाट इज लाइक हैपनिंग टुडे, आई डोंट नो। ठीक है, मैंने ना क्या हुआ, आई वॉज नॉट प्लानिंग टू स्विच ऑफ माई कैमरा, आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू रिकॉर्ड वन मोर रीडिंग, वन मोर टॉपिक. Actually, I was planning to record one more reading and one more topic, and at that same point of time, I received a message from one of my clients, so I started to see that message. And मैंने जब time देखा ना, तो 333 हो रहा था time. So that is a angel number type. You can see कि ये तुम्हारे context में क्या resonate करता है या इसका क्या meaning है. And today is like 5th of May, I would say. So 5/5 वहाँ भी आ जाता है. So yeah, this is a special reading. And मैं कौन सी next reading करने का सोच रही थी. Like I was planning to do one more reading. So I am not aware. मैंने टॉपिक ही नहीं देखा मैं कौन सा रीडिंग करूंगी. बट एज सून एज आई सॉ दिस नंबर, आई गॉट लाइक मैड कि भाई ये वाली रीडिंग करनी है. तो माई रीडिंग में क्या हो रहा है, लाइक दिस इज लाइक happening. I don't know what to say. Is it a coincidence? What is it? I would say. So yeah, the topic of reading, I would say, is like, so yes, जिनका ये था कि नो कॉन्टैक्ट एंड लेस कॉन्टैक्ट के लिए स्पेसिफिकली नॉट ओवर येट. ठीक है, they still have feelings for you. So yeah, this person is having feelings for you. If you're watching this reading, if you reach this reading, then definitely miraculous reading is like coming. So yeah, you can see the meaning of triple three also. So yes, कि क्या मतलब होता है इसका. ठीक है, so I would see कि what is happening. They still have feelings for you, not yet over. So yeah, what is happening? So this person, if you're watching this reading, definitely this person is having feelings for you. और इसी बात पे ओले बहुत तेज पड़ रहे हैं. So yeah, nice. No one is ready. इसी बात पे कंफर्मेशन आ रही है. तुम्हारी रीडिंग पे बारिश चल रही है बड़ी तेज तेज की, और ओले पड़ रहे हैं, और वो मार रहे हैं मेरे शीशे पे बड़ी तेज तेज की. देख रहे हो, तुम्हें सुनाई दे रही है नहीं दे रही आवाज. इसी से मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत कुछ होने वाला है इस रीडिंग में, मतलब बहुत रेवलेशंस होने वाले हैं. सो आप इस पर्सन के साथ नो कॉन्टैक्ट लेस कॉन्टैक्ट में हो सकते हो. एंड ऑफ द डेक इज लाइक 8 ऑफ कप्स कार्ड, विच इज लाइक क्लियरली शोइंग मी आप इस पर्सन के साथ नो कॉन्टैक्ट लेस कॉन्टैक्ट में हो सकते हो. लाइक दैट इज कमिंग. और ओले ओले देखते ही मुझे समझ जाना चाहिए था कि यहाँ पर मामला गड़बड़ है. और नो कॉन्टैक्ट रहेगा, लेस कॉन्टैक्ट रहेगा, क्योंकि नो वन इज रेडी टू ब्रेक द आइस. So like that is coming. The third party is involved either from your side or from their side. So yes, this person, third party कोई ऐसी हो सकती है which is like telling wrong things to you about this person and telling them wrong things about you. So yeah, that is there. So yes, also this person could be like avoiding interaction with you. They won't be like interacting with you a lot. That is coming across. Like they could be avoiding your presence. Like that is coming. This person could be like completely ignoring you. That is also like coming with this card. I could clearly see. I would like to show you this. Once I do reading, I am not in actual mood to show you people कि ये क्या चल रहा है, but मैं specifically drawn हो रही हूँ कि मैं तुम लोगों को दिखाऊँ कि ये क्या दिख रहे हैं ओले वगैरह. So you need to see, because this is a sign from the universe for you, because especially I'm stopping my reading just to show you people like this is happening in your reading. If you people are like just able to see this, because I'm wearing a mic, so I don't know how much it is audible, but you can have a look at the ole here. So this is a sign for me. I don't know तुमने कितना सुना ओलो की आवाज, but I just wanted to show you that this is a sign from the universe. It's raining outside and ओले गिर रहे हैं ऊपर से इतने गर्म मौसम में. So yes, I see a bright opportunity coming your way. You both can have an interaction, but that too for a short tenure of time. So yeah, that is coming. Also, a lot of people are playing politics, as I said you. Like a lot of people could be creating misunderstanding between you both, telling wrong things to you about this person and telling this person wrong things about you. And अगर आपका डाउट था कि इस पर्सन के मन में फीलिंग्स खत्म हो चुकी है, नहीं, they have feelings for you. That's why you reach this reading, ताकि मैं आपको बता सकूं. But misunderstandings है, miscommunication है. You need to clear out things. Communication should be clear. Like interacting, having one-to-one interaction with each other is like really important. So yes, that is coming across. Four of Pentacle cards clearly shows me that this person is being possessive. They don't want to show that they are not able to, like, they are having feelings for you. They are being secretive. ये अपनी feelings को बहुत ज़्यादा hide करके रख रहे हैं. They are not being vocal about their feelings. Or they could be also showing that they are avoiding you. वो सिर्फ आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि they are trying to avoid you. Actually, they are not able to avoid you. That's the main factor. They are in a lot of pain. They are not able to sleep. This person could be depressed as well, like that is also coming. Also, this person could be drinking, having drugs, like negative influence coming, either you or this person. Like for this person it's coming prominently if you are not doing this. So yeah, they could be drinking, or they could be alcoholic, or they could be having drugs or something, like that is coming. So yeah, but this person sees you as a wish fulfillment in their life. Like they see you as a very prominent and an important person, and maybe they would have told you in the past as well that you mean a lot to them. So that is coming. So they are not able to move. They are in a lot of pain. They could be crying a lot. That is also coming. Also, they are keeping their things secret. They are even not showing you that they are having feelings for you. They are not trying to confess their feelings to you, that they are having feelings for you. Like that is being clear. So yes, yeah, they are hiding their true feelings, true emotions from you because of the reason me. But I definitely see a positive outcome. Soon this person can come towards you, or you can go towards this person. A reconciliation is coming. For most of you, I see 90%, 95% of you, I feel a reconciliation coming, things getting better between you both, for sure, like that is coming. But this would take a little time, that is coming. But the things would get better between you both, because this person also has feelings for you. It's not that this person is not having feelings for you, or they have forgotten you, but it would take time for this person to return back. It can take 19 is the prominent thing which is coming. 19 with 9 plus 1 is like 10. 1 month can be the main, or 19 days or 19 date could be significant. 19th of some month could be significant, or 19 date, or 1 month, 19 days, 1 day, something prominent can happen within 1 day or 19 days. So this, there would be a reconciliation, but it would take time. That's it. That is what is coming. 19 months can also be the possibility that you would have no contact, less contact, then things getting better between you, then again getting worse between you both. So like a roller coaster ride going on. So things getting better, again getting worse. This is because you both are not communicating feelings to each other. Like this person is not clear about your feelings, and you are not clear about this person's feelings. And the people who are mediating between you both are causing misunderstanding between you both. So yeah, the people whom you are trusting are not actually the right people to trust. So they are causing misunderstanding between you both, because you are not clearly being vocal about each other. So yeah, this person is also playing mind games, and this person is like more mature than you are. This person is trying to pretend in front of you that they don't care, but in actually they care a lot about you, and internally they have a lot of feelings for you. So that is for sure. And if you reach this reading, they are having feelings, so the message is being like communicated to you. So if 333 is some portal or something, then it is being closed by this. As soon as this reading ends, the reading ended and the portal is being closed, you can claim the positive energy, writing triple 4 times 2, which is reunion energy. You can claim the positive energy of the portal 4 times 2, and the 4 times 2 portal is also being closed. As soon as this reading ended right now, the portal is being closed. 4 times 2 is being closed, 333 being closed. So yeah, this is for your reading. If you want to know exactly, for that you can get a personalized reading by me. You can DM me on Instagram, predictions by Sia. Predictions by Sia link is in the Predictions by Sia YouTube channel bio. You can find the Predictions by Sia Instagram link there. You can message me, you can get the exact clarity, what is the feelings of your person, what is exactly happening, what is this third party doing, are they having feelings for third party or not. Each and everything you will get in depth, in clarity. You will get to know what are their exact feelings, at till what time. You'll get the exact time, by what time this person will return back, and what are their feelings for you right now, what are their feelings for third party, comparison between your feelings and what they are feeling for third party versus your feelings, like the feelings they are having for you. So this is for your reading. Do like, share and subscribe for more such readings. So thank you for watching, guys. Do like, share and subscribe.